Log 8. It was successful. On the third week of expeditions out to the petrified log cabin, my assistant, Logie Wilder, uncovered an assortment of seeds of the ancient relative to today's Malus pumila, or more commonly known as the apple.
That's right. We were able to recover 6 total viable seeds with a near 0% rate of degradation. For being buried in ice and sustaining itself in a near inhospitable environment, it's quite remarkable.
Yes, and we now only need to ensure that there is no structural damage to the outer layer of the seed coat, and that the seed can sustain itself through the beginnings of the growing process using the endosperm still inside of it, at which point Isbit Emin will take control and continue to monitor the survival of the premature budlings.
Yes, as long as I can keep the budlings in the optimal growing conditions, then we should start to see the growth of saplings within the first few months. We will plant 5 of the seeds, in the hopes that at least one of the planted seeds will manage to take root and grow. For the last seed, we'll instead perform a DNA extraction process to try and be able to replicate the seed's biostamp and make more for future testing.
Yes, but seeing as how the gene coding and the essential override that would need to happen to replace an already existing biostamp of current-day apples requires a much more adept bioengineer than either of my cohorts here or myself, I would have to see if the board would be willing to put more resources into the project. The Immortal Serum.
Definitely not calling it that.
And